3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hi, I'm Jasmine and I am an Australian badminton player. This video is for anyone who wants to get into badminton. Here's how you should hold your racket. There are 2 basic grips that you need to first learn. This is the forehand grip. Your index finger should be pointing up and you should use this grip when you are facing forward on and for hitting a forehand shot. This is the backhand grip, which kind of looks like a thumbs up. And we use this for backhand shots or whenever we have to turn our bodies to face the back of the court. So this is me trying to use the wrong grip and I'm mishitting everything. My swing is weird. I look like a chicken. What's worse is that it's really easy to injure your wrist. But if you use the right grip like this, it'll be easier to hit back every shot and it'll be easier to hit it over the net, which is kind of the point of the game. Having the right grip technique is really important. We need to be able to easily switch between these grips. Just always make sure that your hand is relaxed and not gripping too tightly like this. Relaxed, tight, relaxed, tight.
Relaxed.
So another thing that people usually overlook but is really important is that you should always bring your racket back to the middle after each grip change. So you swing forehand, middle, backhand, middle, forehand, middle, backhand, middle. I always see players dropping their hands down after a shot and that's a really bad habit. We should always be trying to keep our racket up and prepare for the next shot. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.